enough water. Let's see. You're supposed to tighten that bit, and when you tighten it, so see, I guess this is I guess if you fill it more so the water don't be splashing. Woo-hoo! No sir, perverts, no sir. Alright, let me see something. Let me just take this out. Let me see. So it's supposed to just like work like that. Oops, splash my phone. Anyway, you know what? Let me put this thing back on because I'm going to get wet. Oh damn, I forgot to take the damn paper off this thing. Shit, I just bought it yesterday. Anyway, so let's see. Let's see. Well, okay, yeah. Well, it looks like it's getting some of the dirt out from the clothes and stuff, so that's not bad. Yep, the water's dirty. So, yeah, I'm going to say that it works, considering I just tried it. So, that's one method I checked out.